stop talking business. This weekend is a new chapter for our family, and you and Crystal are the two most important women in my life. But you have a lot more in common than you think.
I wouldn't take that bet.
You're not going to scare this one off, Fallon.